Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to duplicate a database in Notion. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. So first step is to click on your database, then click on these three options. You can see delete, duplicate and more. So here we have the duplicate option, and you will have to choose to duplicate with content or duplicate without content of this database. In order to duplicate it with a shortcut, just use Command D or Command Shift D if you want to duplicate without content. So I will click on duplicate with content, and now this database will be duplicated. As you can see, it is duplicating right now. As you can see, it will write it down to be names and this one in these columns, so in these brackets. So just simply rename it to your liking. And that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.